The U.S. Center for SafeSport's response and resolution process has 3 phases: intake, investigation, and resolution. This video focuses on intake. We strive to respond to and resolve abuse and misconduct reports in a fair and thorough manner. Once an abuse or misconduct report is received through our Report a Concern portal or by phone, it moves into initial intake. First, we assess whether there's any need to make an initial report or follow-up with law enforcement. Then we review whether the center has jurisdiction. We do this by affirming that the center has both personal jurisdiction, that is, whether the respondent is under the center's authority, and subject matter jurisdiction, that is, if the reported conduct is prohibited by the SafeSport code. If these 2 conditions are met, we then decide whether to exercise or decline jurisdiction. If we exercise jurisdiction, the matter moves to the preliminary inquiry stage. Our priorities in preliminary inquiry are to identify and contact claimants, the person alleged to have experienced conduct that constitutes a code violation, discuss the process and their options, and gauge their interest in participating, to gather basic information and immediately available evidence such as parties involved, time frame, or general details of misconduct reported, and to review available information and consider whether to implement any temporary measures to reduce risk while the center investigates the matter further. Claimants have no obligation to speak or provide information to us, and they may also have an advisor with them, such as a family member or attorney, throughout the process. Please note that some individuals may not serve as advisors, such as a party or witness involved in the investigation or hearing, or an employee, board member, or legal counsel for the USOPC, an NGB, or the center. We may ask a claimant questions to gather basic information, but this is not a formal interview, nor is it recorded. We also have on staff process navigators who can provide information and resources to claimants and respondents at any point in the process. At this point, we may coordinate with law enforcement if they are also investigating the matter to ensure we are not interfering with any pending criminal investigation. For example, law enforcement may ask us not to contact any parties in a matter, including the claimant, or to postpone an investigation for a period of time. We comply with law enforcement requests of this nature. After preliminary inquiry into a matter is complete, we determine whether there is sufficient information to move forward with resolving it. If there is not, the center would administratively hold the case until we receive new or additional information. If there is sufficient information to move forward, the center typically progresses to the investigation stage. Please see our investigation video or visit our webpage to learn more about our efforts toward ending abuse in sport.